Want to personalize your Tesla Model 3? This video shows you how to easily change its name directly from your car's touchscreen. As of 2026, Tesla allows you to customize your vehicle's identity, making it feel more like your own. We'll walk you through the simple steps to rename your Model 3, enhancing your connection with your car. First, sit inside your Model 3 and look at the touchscreen dashboard. Tap the car icon on the touchscreen to access the controls menu. From the controls menu, select Software. Then select Vehicle from the Software menu. You should see an option labeled Rename Vehicle. This feature is available on all Model 3 variants, running software version 2021.4 or later, ensuring everyone can personalize their ride. Tap the Rename Vehicle field. A keyboard will appear on the touchscreen. Type in your desired name. Up to 20 characters are allowed. Get creative. Consider something that reflects your personality or the car's purpose. Tesla even offers AI-driven suggestions in newer updates, but you can always choose your own. Once you're happy with the name, tap Save. Keep in mind, there are some restrictions when renaming your Tesla Model 3. Tesla's content moderation algorithms use natural language processing to filter out prohibited terms, such as offensive language including hate speech, aggressive content, cyberbullying, threats, insults, racism, sexism, homophobia, stereotypes, and derogatory comments. This ensures all names remain clean and appropriate for a positive user experience. Additionally, if you have multiple Teslas linked to your account, each vehicle name must be unique. This prevents confusion within the Tesla mobile app, where you can manage and identify each car separately, and in the voice command system, ensuring commands like, "Hey Tesla, play music and car name," work correctly without ambiguity. Once saved, the new name will appear on your Model 3's touchscreen and within the Tesla mobile app. Test it out. Try using voice commands like, "Hey Tesla, play music" in your car's name to ensure the change has fully registered. This confirms the renaming process was successful. Renaming your Tesla enhances personalization, making your vehicle feel uniquely yours through custom naming. According to Tesla's 2025 owner surveys, 72% of Model 3 owners report that renaming improves their emotional connection with their vehicle, while over 70% customize their vehicle names. In multi-vehicle households, renaming helps with easy identification and management through the Tesla app, allowing seamless control of multiple vehicles. Some companies use vehicle renaming within their Tesla fleets for better organization and improved efficiency in tracking and managing multiple vehicles. Overall, renaming your Tesla offers numerous benefits, from personal connection to practical management solutions. If you encounter issues such as the name not saving or disappearing after a software update, ensure your Tesla software is up to date. If problems persist, try restarting your Tesla by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black. A minor bug in v13.0 temporarily prevented renaming for some users in 2025, but Tesla quickly released a patch. Looking ahead, expect even more advanced personalization options. Tesla's upcoming v14.0 may introduce AI-generated name suggestions based on your driving habits and preferences. Integration with the supercharger network is also anticipated, potentially displaying your car's name on the charging station interface for easier recognition. The future of vehicle personalization is bright, with renaming being a key starting point.